dito, I felt iba. Why? Tahimik. Nakita ko lahat. Nakikinig lahat. Pag awit, pag it was singing of hymns, kita mo lahat. Awit. Ramdam na ramdam ko. I didn't even know the lyrics. It was my first time, but I saw myself. I was reading it. I was singing to it. It felt different. Tapos nagkataon sa leksyon, I don't remember the exact lesson. But I felt the conviction. I felt kung paano yung pagturo ng leksyon. Kung paano ramdam na ramdam mo ang pananampalataya na totoo ang sinasabi niya.
Matagal ko tong inaral. Ilang taon din akong nakinig. Gusto kong maging kaani sa Iglesia ni Cristo.
I ended up with only one religion on my list, and that is Iglesia ni Cristo.